Good morning everyone, Primary 3 Math, 2nd term 2021, Chapter 4, Lesson 95. Let's go to our objectives of this lesson. Here we have, remember which is more accurate, estimation by front end or rounding. We will deduce your own strategy of finding more than one equivalent fractions. We will solve various problems on it. Let's see keywords. It will be estimation using front end and rounding, more than one corresponding equivalent fraction, mental math strategy. Our tools will be booklet, pencil, ruler, notebook, and colored pencils. Let's remember which is more accurate in estimation, front end estimation or rounding estimation. Let's go and check. 26 plus 51. If I remember my front end means, yes, look at the last digit from left. If it's tens or hundred, and make it tens or hundreds only. Front end means not look at one's place, look at the last digit only. Here 26 estimation from front end, it will be 20 only, and 51 it will be 50. Then 20 plus 50 equals 70. Let's check our real answer here. 26 plus 51. Let's begin from ones place. 6 plus 1 equals 7. And 2 plus 5 equals 7. Then 77 and 70. Our real answer and our estimation. It's near or far? Yes, it will be far. Good job, because it's far away by 7 steps. Okay, let's go here and check our front end estimation. Here we have 62. Our 60 it will be 60, and 15 it will be 10 only. Then 60 plus 10 equals 70. Let's check our real answer here. 2 plus 5 equals 7, and 1 by 6 plus 6 equals 7. It will be 77 and 70. Our real answer is 77 and our estimation is 70. It's near or far? Yes, it will be far by 7 steps away. If I use here our front end estimation, 30 plus 27, 30 it will be 30, and 27 will be 20 only. 30 plus 20 it will be 50. Then let's go and check our real answer. 0 plus 7 it will be 7, and 3 plus 2 equals 5. It will be 57. 57 our real answer, and our estimation is 50. It's near or far from our estimation? It will be far away. Then our estimation by front end is far away in all ways. Let's go to our rounding estimation and let's go and remember it. Our rounding estimation means when I find in ones place weak or poor numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then I will not add any number to our tens place. It will be the same tens place, like 13. It will be 10 as it is, not to add any one to our tens place. But if I find strong or rich numbers like 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 in ones place, then I will add 1 to tens place. Like 58, it will be, yes, I will add, because 8 is a rich number or strong number. It will add 1 to our tens place to be 60, because it's closer to it. Then let's go and check these weak and strong numbers in our problems here by rounding estimation. 58 it will be 8, it's a strong number. It will be give 1 to the tens place, it will be 60. Here we have 13. 3 is a weak number, then it will be not add any number to tens place, it will be 10 as it is. Then 60 plus 10, it will be 70. Let's check our real answer here. 8 plus 3 equals 11. 1 and carry up 1. And 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. It will be 71. 71 and 70. Are they near or far? Are they near or far? Yes, it will be near by one step only. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. Check if it's near. Sorry, weak or strong. 41. 1 here in one's place, it will be weak 1. Then 40 will be the same 40. And 28, 8 here is a strong number. Yes, it will be add 1 to tens place, it will be 30. Yes, 40 plus 30 equals 70. Let's go to check our real answer. 1 plus 9 plus 8 equals 9. And 4 plus 2 equals 6. It will be 69. 69 and 70. Are they near or far away? Yes, they are near by one step only. Let's check here our answer. Here we have 19. 9 is a strong number. Then we will add 1 to tens place. It will be 20. Then 53. 3 is a weak number. Then 50 is will be 50 as it is. Now 20 plus 50 it will be 70. And check our real answer. 9 plus 3 equals 12. 2 and carry up 1. And 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 72. 72 and 70. Are they near or far? Excellent. They are near by 2 steps only. Good job. Then I will ask you a question. Which is more accurate? Front end estimation or rounding estimation? Good job. Our near results here from rounding estimation and our far results here are from front end estimation. Then our question here, now deduce which is more accurate. You will find that is rounding is more accurate than front end. Let's go and solve this problem. We have here, yes, 4 numbers and we need to add them all. First of all, we need our estimation and then find our answer. Here we have 18 is 8 is a strong number, it will be 20. 26 is 6 is a strong number, it will be 30. 15, 5 is a strong number, it will be 20. 38, 8 is a strong number, it will be 40. Let's add all of these 4 numbers. It will be 50 plus 20, it will be 70. 70 plus 40, it will be, yes, good job, it will be 110. Let's check our real answer here. Yes, take the first 2 numbers together, it will be 8 plus 6 equals, in our draft, 18 plus 26, it will be 8 plus 6 equals 14, 4 and carry up 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4, it will be 44. And the next 2 numbers, it will be 15 plus 38, 5 plus 8 equals 13, 3 and carry up 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 3 equals 5, it will be 33. Then let's add these 2 numbers together in our graph. It will be 44 plus 53, 4 plus 3 equals 7, 4 plus 5 equals 9, it will be 97. If I put it here, it will be 97. 97 and 110, they are near or far? Yes, they are near because I look here at, yes, at hundreds place. 97 and 110, they are near in hundreds place. Thank you. Now, let's go to our lesson. Can you use your special way to find more than one equivalent fraction? Here, let's go to, yes, make our exercises to find out more than one way to find our equivalent fraction. Notice then complete the missing. 1/5 equals how many tenses? Let's go check our denominator. 5 by 1 equals 10, it will be 2. And as I do down, I will do up. 1 by 2 equals 2. It will be 2 tenths. 2/3 equal how many nines? Check our denominator, it will be 3 by 3. Excellent. And as I do down, I will do up. It will be 2 by 3 equals 6. It will be 6 nines. Here we have, let's go and check our denominator. 7 by 1 equals 28. Excellent, it will be by 4. As I do down, I will do up. 1 by 4 equals 4. Here we have, let's go and check our numerator. 3 by what equals 18? It will be by 6. As I do up, I will do down. In denominator, 7 by 6 equals 42. Here we have, check our numerator, 5 by what equal 15, it will be by 3. And as I do the up, I will do down, 6 by 3 equals 18. Here we have 2 by what equals 8, excellent, by 4. As I do up, I will do down, 3 by 4 equals 12. Good job. You are awesome. So we go and do more exercises. Here we have 4 fifths and what 25. And let's check our denominator. 5 by what equal 25? It will be by 5. As I do down, I will do up in numerator. 4 by 5 equals 20. And 6's and then what? Check our numerator. 1 by 10 equals 10. As I do up, I will do down. 6 by 10 equals 60. 5 eighths. It will be 8 by what equal 56? Except it will be by 7. As I do down, I will do up. 9 by 7 equals 35. Here, 9 by 3 equal 27. And as I do down, I will do up. 8 by 3 equal 24. Here, 9 by 10 equal 90. Here, 1 by 10 equals 10. 6 by 5 equals 30. And 5 by 5 equals 25. Here we have 8 by 2 equals 16. And 1 by 2 equals 2. Here we have 7 by 10 equals 70 and 2 by 10 equals 20. Good job. Super. Now let's go to have more exercises about equivalent fraction. I want to have more than one equivalent fraction to half. Here we have half, how many fourths, and how many eighths. Let's go to our classwork draft and write down half. How many fourths? 2 by what equal 4? Yes, by 2. Then as I do down, I will do up. Then it will be 2 fourths. Then I will write down here 2. Then ask yourself, half equals how many eighths? Then I will multiply by 4 in denominator, and as I do down, I will do up. It will be by 4, then it will be 4 eighths. Then I will write down here 4 eighths. Good job. Let's go to more draft. Here we have third. How many sixes and how many nines? Let's go to our original fraction. Write down third equals how many sixes? Ask yourself. 3 by what equals 6? It will be by 2. As I do down, I will do up. Then 1 by 2 equal 2 and 3 by 2 equals 6. It will be 2 sixes. And write down here 2. Then return one more time to our original fraction. It will be third equals 3 by what equal 9? It will be 3 by 3. And as I do down, I will do up. It will be 3 by 3. Then 3 by 1 equals 3 nines. And write down here 3 nines. Then third equal 2 sixes and equals 3 nines. Good job. Now more exercises on equivalent fraction. Here we have fifths equal how many tenths and how many fifteenths. Let's go to our draft. Fifths equals, search in your tables, 5 by what equal 10? It will be 5 by 2. And as I do down, I will do up. Then it will be 5 by 1 by 2 equals 2 tenths. And write down here 2. Let's go to our original fraction. One more time. It will be 5 by what equal 15. Draw your line and new draft. 15 fifths equals 5 by what equal 15. It will be by 3. As I do down, I will do up. Then it will be 3 fifteenths. And write down here 3. Let's go to number 4. Here we have fourth equal how many eighths and how many twelves? Search 4 by what equal 8? Let's go to our draft and write down our original fraction, which is 4. Fourth equal 4 by what equal 8? Equal 2. Then by 2 down and by 2 up. Then 1 by 2 equals 2 eighths. More 1. Let's go to our original fraction. And fourth equal how many 12s? 4 by what equal 12? It will be, write down here, fourth, and it will be by 3 down and by 3 up. Then 1 by 3 equals 3 twelves. And write down here 3. Then 4s equal 2 8s and 3 twelves. Good job. Now, number 5. 2/3 equal how many 6s and how many 9s? Let's go to our draft. Write down 2/3, our original fraction, and go to here. 3 by what equals 6? It will be by 2. As I do down, I do up, it will be 4 6s. And write down here 4. And go again to our original fraction to find how many 9s. And write down in our draft, yes, 3 by 3 equal 9. As I do down, I will do up. 2 by 3 equals 6 9s. It will be 6 9s. Now let's go to the next one. Here we have 2 fifths in our draft. And ask yourself, 2 fifths, how many tenses? Here we have 5 by what equals 10? It will be by 2. And as I do down, I will do up. It will be 2 by 2 equals 4 tenses. And write down here 4. Let's go again to our original fraction and ask yourself. Here, 2 fifths, how many? 10 what? Let's ask yourself, 2 by what equal 10? It will be by 5. And write down here, as I do up, I will do down. 5 by 5 equal 25. It will be 10 25ths. Tamam. Good job. Let's evaluate our understanding. Just to press pause, then press play to listen to our explanation. Here we have half, 5 what 6s, 7 what. Let's go every time to our original fraction. Use your classwork draft to find these answers. Here we have half. 1 plus by what equal 5? It will be by 5. And as I do up, I will do down. It will be 5 tenses. And write down here 10. Let's go again to our draft and write down our original fraction. Half equals how many 6s? Ask yourself, 2 by what equals 6? It will be by 3. And as I do down, I will do up. Then it will be 3 6s. And write down here 3. Let's go again to our original fraction, which is half equals 7 what? 1 by what equals 7? It will be 7. By 7 up and by 7 down. 2 by 7 equals 14. And it will be 7 14ths. And write down here 14. Then each time we go back to our original fraction to find the equivalent. Here we have third, 4 what 15, and 8 what. Every time go to our original fraction to go to our classwork draft and write down third equals 4 what. 1 by what equals 4? It will be by 4. And as I do up, I will do down. 3 by 4 equals 12. It will be 4 twelves. And third, one more time to our original fraction. Third equal how many 15s? Ask yourself, 3 by what equal 15? It will be by 5. And as I do down, I will do up. It will be 1 by 5 equal 5 15ths. And write down here 5. Let's go again to our original fraction. Write down in our draft. Third equal 8 what? 1 by what equal 8? It will be by 8. And as I do up, I will do down. 3 by 8 equals 24. It will be 8 24ths. And write down here 24ths. Good job, you are awesome. Now our conclusion. Equivalent over fractions. Here we have estimating using in the front and rounding. More than one equivalent fraction. A mental math strategy using multiplication way. And various exercises. Our next lesson keywords, lesson 96, equivalent fraction using various models, corresponding equivalent fractions on number line, mental math strategy, show your work mentally and mathematically. Goodbye, thank you.